With Porsline's Form and Survey Builder, you can view individual responses directly within your form. And in Pro and Enterprise accounts, even share the complete answer sheet with each respondent. Right after a submission is recorded, go to the Results phase and open the Results table. In the Answer Sheet column, click on any respondent's sheet to review their answers. You can print the answer sheet or save it as a PDF if needed. To automatically send the answer sheet to each respondent, go to the Settings phase, open Advanced Settings, and enable the option Share Individual Responses. You can customize both the label and description of the answer sheet. These fields are fully editable, and you can type @ to insert any question or variable from your form so the sheet feels personalized for each respondent. You can share the answer sheet in two ways. In the Create phase, open the End Page section and enable the option Reload Redirect button. Enter a custom label for your button and select the individual responses link from the dropdown. This way, respondents can immediately click and view their answer sheet after completing the form. In the Email Notifications section, under Settings, you can automatically send the answer sheet link to each respondent via email. You can also receive a copy yourself or send it to your team containing the respondent's answer sheet. Just type @ inside the email body to dynamically insert the link. If you want answer sheets to be scored automatically before sharing, check out our How to Share the Answer Key with Respondents after the quiz. Perfect for quizzes and assessments. And as always, if you need help setting it up, our support team is here to guide you every step of the way.